This guy's doing wheelies in the middle of a car. I swear, ho, if you do that on me and you hit me, I will beat your booty cheeks. Overtake me. I don't give an F, dog. If you in a Tesla, you in any electric vehicle, you don't overtake me like that. Never ever overtake me like that. Or try to actually no, try to overtake me like that, because it's fun. It's fun. He tried, man. You can't hate him for trying, right? Nah, today's a quiet one. It's not a raw series, but it's just a quiet one. I woke up a little late today. I slept in kind of bit. I don't know why I slept in, but I slept in. I'm a guy who loves my mornings. I love them to death. I'm a morning person like anything. But see, a lot of people, when they think about morning person, they think about somebody who's extremely enthusiastic in the morning and talkative. That's the big part. Talkative. I'm not. If you guys watch Transporter 1, I'm kind of like him, Jason Statham. I like my mornings quiet, peaceful. I don't want I ain't want anybody talking to me, nor do I want to talk to anyone. I usually got music playing. Lately, I've been listening to the Naruto OSTs. They hella bomb, man. I've been listening to them hoes. What type of race is this, man? I looked over there on purpose because I don't want to F. I told you I like my mornings quiet and peaceful because I'm a morning person. I like them like that. I think he wanted to race the Subaru STI. But I ain't feeling it, man. Unless you a Lambo, then I'm not gonna drop my pants. Not this early in the morning. And it ain't even early in the morning. It's like 11, 10, 12 or something like that. I think it's like 11. No, I think it's like 12. Don't go on this. Actually, no. Yeah, don't go on this clock. This clock's effed up. I was playing around when I was washing her. And I was just testing out the things. And yeah, so this isn't real. It's not really 3 right now. I ain't wake up that late, huh? I ain't wake up that late. Okay, we gotta pass all them hoes. We gotta pass them, all of them. But we need a red light. I can't pass them without a red light, because if I pass them, well, if it's not a red light, then it's just gonna be dirty cuts all day. And I'm trying not to do that. I'm trying not to do that. You see that car just swap from that lane to this lane? That's why we don't do cuts while traffic is moving. Unless we're hunting for booty, which we are hunting for booty, but unless we see booty, we don't do it. I gotta record an episode of the Ride and Review anime series, but we're gonna do that in just a bit. I just want to ride around a bit for a while. I like that. You got someone else's legs stuck up in that hole. I'm not gonna waste my luck doing dirty cuts. We ain't gonna do the. I could have easily blazed and cut up in front of somebody, but we ain't gonna do that just yet. Like all these other hoes are gonna do, we ain't gonna do that just yet. I'm gonna keep my luck for a Lambo, for like a Ferrari or some shit. Ferrari or some shit. You don't gotta stop. You keep going. The butt plug at my ear, this one right here, I think came out a little bit, so I gotta push it back in because this exhaust is screaming in my ears right now. Yeah, for sure, booty. So let's find a place to pull over for a bit and we'll do it. I see a red thing over there and this car's blocking it. Thank you. Yeah, I think it's this one. It's kind of leaking. Yeah, so it's leaking a little bit. It's coming out a little bit, so you got to shove that hole back in, which we will. I just need to pause somewhere. I need to take my gloves off and then need to put my finger in my ear to push that hole back in. So we'll go to McLaren and we'll stop there. What usually happens is my helmet, I put it on, or I put my earplugs in first and then I put my baklava on there, and then after that I put my helmet on. This helmet's all snug and whatnot, so sometimes pushes on my ears really heavy and it comes out. It's okay, it happens, it's not a big deal. I just gotta push it back in. Once it's in, then it won't come out because the helmet's already on. I ain't gonna be effing with it too much. Aston Martin, but we don't do slow-mos for those Aston Martins, only the other ones. We could have stopped at Ferrari too. No, let's stop at McLaren. I haven't been there this week either, so I feel kind of I feel a little off. We got an M series right next to us. By the way, no rear camera again, because I want to focus. M3. See, if it's a 3, it's an odd number. That means there's gonna be it's a 4-door. If it's a 2, an even number, that means it only has 2 doors as a coupe. That's how I remember it. I could stop here, but that'd be dangerous. Dangerous. So you put this up to neutral. Close this, put the blinker on, take off our gloves. There's a bike right there, but it ain't a super bike, you know what I mean? If it's not a super bike, I don't give an F. I don't give an F. Bring it. Okay, thank you. I didn't want to get off the bike, but now I have to. Okay, they're both in now. I didn't want to get off the bike. There shouldn't be a rally today because it's Sunday. Yesterday we came out, we really didn't see anyone out, even though it was not the rally people, they were out. But like we didn't see, we're gonna leave her in Super Saiyan mode, rain mode. But we really didn't see any riders. We didn't really see sports, super bikes or supercars or whatever. We didn't see any of that. Hopefully today will be different. I just cleaned her. What up, dog? Yeah, much better. Earplugs be necessary. It smells like cheeseburgers again. Earplugs be necessary. Shorty, you gonna walk? No, I don't think Shorty's gonna walk. If I was Shorty, I would have walked. F it. You only got a couple days to live. Why you want to F with it? We got a mark behind us, my clown. And again, no rear camera, so you guys don't even know what I'm talking about. Oh well, never mind, I think the Merc is leaving. Yeah, the Merc gone. The Merc is gone. It was that Merc we passed by, that was that Merc. But it's cool. And the big reason for us not having the rear camera is because I'm currently setting up the new GoPro. And so pretty much this camera will go there, that camera will go in the back. And the camera in the back is going to be used for like a selfie camera, selfie stick camera, other things. I usually use it for that back camera. I usually use it for working out anyways, but now I won't have to have, you know, dual life anymore. It's just gonna do one simple thing. I'll let you join this. So I could go right next to him, but it's all like broken and whatnot. So I don't want to do the roads all broken. We ain't about that life, man. We ain't about that life. We want clean roads. Usually I let the person go first, but he's in his own lane. I'm in my own lane, so I have to, right? I'm wearing a jacket. I got layers on layers on layers right now. It is cold in a mug because it's Christmas time. And this dude just wearing a t-shirt or a shirt, long sleeve shirt, button up shirt. Or maybe it's plaid, maybe it's one of those riding ones. I honestly, I don't give an F, man. I don't care what it is. Who the hell cares? We could be butt naked for all I care. I really don't care. Sir, please don't go on the left, go on the right. Okay, he's going on the left. Never mind, I thought he was gonna lane split. But yeah, he is gonna lane split eventually. But I know I can't lane split because if I lane split, most of these people, they don't really stick to one part of the lane, but they just, okay. There's like a huge bicycle crew and they're all just doing stunts and stuff on the damn road. Yeah, there's a huge thing happening right now. This guy's doing wheelies in the middle of a car. I swear, ho, if you do that on me and you hit me, I will beat your booty cheeks. Oh, the Lexus just went through. He didn't give an F. And this is what's happening today. In rain mode, alright? That Lexus is my clown. She's in rain mode. I gunned it and the wheel came up. I kid you not, the wheel came up. Saw this dude, his back wheels were just going like that. I was first gonna be like, dog, you want an F? But nah, I don't want an F with that. That just seems dangerous. Like no traction control on his thing. Yeah, we're gonna stay back here. I don't want an F with that. That's a death wish, right? That's a death wish right there. Be careful, homie, that dude's gonna whip it. And once that dude whips it, see? Which way, sir? This dude's about to get it. That Corvette. Never mind. I don't know, I just didn't feel safe. The way the dude was driving, I didn't feel safe. We could have got in a race with a sex tape with a Corvette. But yeah, didn't feel safe. That dude just, you saw the little wheels snapping to the left and right. It didn't look right. It didn't look right. So we made an executive decision. And our little baby is not going to be messing with that. Okay, sir, could you go any slower? Oh, that looks nice. Panamera with the spoiler out. Looks nice. This old dude just gunned it through the bicycles. He dodged them. He didn't hit anybody, but he just gunned it through. So much respect for him that he's old but still has his vision, because he could have damaged people. And I wanted to blaze it through too to look all cool, because a lot of people were recording, but our baby girl over here was power wheeling, which I didn't think she could power wheelie in rain mode anyways, but she did. Maybe I gunned it too much, maybe my weight, the way I was balanced out, because I was kind of a little bit tucked, but my booty was in the back. You guys can't see because it's a rear camera, but that Corvette in the back is anxious as hell. He's just going side to side because there's a car in front of him. Homie's anxious as hell. There's a bike on the other side, but we're not going to see him. Oh, ZX14 on. Barely saw him. Jigsaw. And some mopeds. More choppers. Okay, there's a lot of bikers out today, never mind. A lot of bikers out today. I on Saturdays they have rallies here. So that's the only tough part, is because people that are part of the rallies, or like whether they're for or against it, they go extremely slow in support or to curse people out. So gotta be careful about that. See, now see, it's all empty. Pretty sure you guys seen a rally video by now. Not me at a rally, but me riding through a rally. This rally that usually takes place over here. I don't know if you guys have seen that, but you guys should have seen it by now. I'm pretty sure this guy was riding with me. If I lane split, he lane splits. If I don't lane split, he doesn't lane split either. Which I respect. I do the same thing. Bumper to bumper, belly to belly, booty to booty. See this thing right here? These they're called something. I can't remember. I just thought of the word. Oh, that chick took a video of the Corvette. Who takes videos of Corvettes? It's not even this one, it was the older one. Who does that? What interest does that lady have? I'm really curious now. Okay, now she's taking a picture of... she probably thinks this is a supercar. I think she's a tourist. There's a lot of Corvettes out today. But yeah, I think this Corvette right here is a super. Oh yeah, that thingy what I was talking about before that I saw that girl. That reminds me of New York. Yeah, I was gonna say that. Gastro Pub is one of like the grossest names you can ever keep for a pub. But I feel bad for those cyclist people, man, because cops gonna come and shove a freaking rod up your booty cheeks.